All right, how you guys doing today?
Very good, Mr. Ernie.
Good, good. All right, today we're going to be talking about coins and change. So first of all, we're going to go over and we're going to review what we went over last class about what each type of coins, what they are and the values that they have. So first of all, who can tell me what coin this is? Juan?
Quarter.
It is a quarter, right? And Juan, how much is a quarter worth?
25 cents.
25 cents, exactly. Juan, do you know what we put after 25 cents when we're writing it?
C with the line through.
Exactly, right? That means cents. Rotor, what kind of coin is that?
A dime.
It is a dime, good job. And Rotor, how much is a dime worth?
10 cents.
10 cents. What am I going to put after a 10?
C with the line.
Yeah, what does that mean, Rotor?
A cent.
Right. Avery, next coin. Can you tell us what that is?
A nickel.
It is a nickel. Avery, how much is a nickel worth?
5 cents.
Exactly, thank you. Nate Hill, can you tell us what our last coin is over here?
I believe that's a penny.
That is a penny, good job, thank you. And Nate, how can you tell it's a penny?
Brown.
It is. Nate Hill, what's a penny worth?
1 cent.
Yeah. Alright, what are times in our life that we have used coins and we have to count change and that we're going to be using coins in our everyday lives? Anybody tell me a time when they've had to use coins? One.
When I mow people's lawns.
When you mow people's lawns. Okay. Anybody else?
Buying things.
Buying things? Okay, so what do you use coins to buy things? What do you need them for?
To pay for it.
To pay for it? So why don't I just use my dollars?
Maybe it's only worth like $1 and you have like 4 quarters.
Oh,
Wow.
a gumball machine.
Okay, if there's a gumball machine. So when we're using all of these types of coins, what can we use coins to make up? Exact change, right? So all of our coins are, when we have something that's less than $1, we're going to use our coins to make up those amounts that are less than $1. So today we're going to work on adding our coin values. So we're going to start by I'm going to make some examples on the board and we're going to count them out together and we're going to see how much money we have, all right? So, if I pulled out my pocket and I had these in my pocket, how much money do I have in my pocket? Juan?
61 cents.
61 cents, and how did you get there, Juan?
25 plus 25 equals 50.
Okay, so you use these two together, and those were 25 and 25, and that was 50, okay?
Plus 10.
And then plus 10,
60.
and then
Plus
plus 1. So then we're going 50, plus 10, plus 1. Does everybody know how we got that? All right, perfect. Let's do another one. Nate Hill, if I opened up my wallet and I had these in my wallet, how much change do I have?
17 cents.
17 cents. And how did we get there, Nate?
10 cents plus
Okay.
5 cents plus 1 cent plus 1 cent.
Perfect. Good job. All right, so for the last one, I'm going to give you guys an amount of change, and I want you guys to tell me which coins I'm going to need to make that amount of change. So, if I needed 32 cents, who can tell me which coins I would need to get to 32 cents? One?
3 dimes and 2 pennies.
3 dimes. Okay, so using the change that I have here.
Oh. A quarter,
Okay.
a nickel, 2 pennies.
A quarter, a nickel, and 2 pennies. All right, how do you guys know that each of these are quarters, nickels, and pennies?
Yeah. faces on them.
They have different faces. Do we know what faces are on them?
George Washington.
Alright, so the easiest one for us to figure out is the pennies, right? Because they're a different color. So we know that the pennies are gonna be worth 1 cent. But how do we know that this is a quarter, that this is a dime, and that this is a nickel?
They're all different sizes.
They're all different sizes, okay? So what's the biggest one?
A quarter.
A quarter, so we know that's worth 25, and then?
Nickel is second biggest.
Okay, so how come the nickel's not worth more than the dime because it's bigger?
I don't know.
Because the US said so.
The US said so. Do you guys know who is on the coins?
Yes.
One?
James Madison's on the nickel.
He's not. But that's a good try.
Abraham Lincoln's on the penny.
Abraham Lincoln is on the penny. Does
George
anybody-
Washington is on the quarter.
Is on the quarter. Does anybody know the middle two? Alright, so on our dime is Roosevelt, and on our nickel is Jefferson. So, what we're going to do is I'm gonna pair you guys into small groups, so you guys are gonna be in groups of 2. We're gonna hand out these coins, and what you guys are gonna do is your partner is gonna ask you, is gonna put out the coins, and they're gonna ask you how much each one is worth, and then you guys are gonna switch, and you're gonna ask your partner how much the amount of coins you have is worth. All right. So, can you come up here and work with Juan, please? We're not gonna play with our coins today, all right? I'll give you guys a minute to sort your coins out and figure out which coins you want to use, what kind of values you guys have, and then once you guys have them all sorted, I want you guys to make values and ask your partner what they're worth.
What is
Quarter.
How do you know that's a quarter?
You can have
Big.
It's the biggest one, right? What's a quarter worth?
25.
Five.
Yes, you do.
Why are the ridges outside?
Why are there what?
Why are the ridges?
Alright,
How much money is that?
So, there's ridges on these because when they make them with ridges on them.
Oh, why not these? I got it.
67.
Alright, my turn.
You'd love to.
Oh, you'll have to tell me that one another day.
It's a quarter.
How much is this?
How are we doing over here?
We're sorting them.
Okay, so how are you sorting them?
60 by size.
By size?
Because of nickel.
Ah.
Because you know they're all different sizes.
So you sorted the pennies first because they were the easiest, right?
Yeah.
How much is that?
Alright.
25, 30, 45, 40, 45.
Alright.
So now grab a combination of those coins and ask Avery what they're worth.
67 cents.
Good job. How do you know it's 63 cents?
These are 25, so it's 50.
Okay.
These are 5, so it's 10.
So you took these two fives and you added them together
Yeah.
to the 10.
These altogether 60.
Okay.
Pennies.
Okay. Cool. Good job.
Mr. Ernie, we have a question.
Yeah. Let me figure out how much this is.
Yeah. Alright, so one of the first things that I like to do is I like to take the biggest coins first. So what's the biggest coin that we have here? 25, right? So we have 25 cents. Alright, so then the next easiest thing to break up is we have obviously our pennies, and then we're gonna break apart our nickels and our dimes. So our dimes are, the easiest thing to do is to add up all of our dimes. So how many dimes do we have?
1 dime.
Whoa.
How many nickels do we have? Sorry.
I don't even know if I can actually do this.
6 nickels.
25.
Okay, so we
55.
have 30, okay, and then if we add the 30 into the 25, that's 55, right? And then what if we add another 10 cents in there? That's our dime. And then we have what? 2 more pennies? 67. Good job, guys. Good job. What do you guys, Nate?
Oh, sorry, Mr. Ernie.
That's okay. What do you guys notice about counting coins?
We got 67 cents.
Good job, Juan. But what do you guys notice about the process?
It
Oh,
takes
oh.
time.
Takes time. What do you guys usually count first?
The bigger ones.
The bigger ones, because it's easier to go from the bigger coins into the smaller ones, right?
Right.
So you add on your pennies usually last because those are your singles. So using that information that we've now talked about, we're going to go through our worksheets. These worksheets just have more combinations of coins on them. You guys can use the manipulatives to work through the worksheet. If you want to copy those down, if that makes it easier.
What is manipulative?
Those coins.
Can you help me count this? Avery gave me a lot.
He gave you a lot? Okay, yeah, let's try it out.
Here's to test it.
So this is 25.
Yep, that's our first one, alright. So
5, 10, 15. See, there's too much. I can't count this much.
alright, no, that's okay. That's okay. So the easiest thing to do with these nickels is to group them into tens, right? So if we take 2, those are 10. Then another 2 is 20. Another 2 is 30, 40, and 50. Alright, so we have 50 cents right there. Okay. What's 50 plus 25?
75.
75. And then if we add another 10, 20, 30 cents onto that,
105.
105, right? And then what if we counted out all of our pennies? 9. So what's 5 plus 9? 14. So now we have 114. Now in money terms, what would 114 get us to?
$1.14.
Great job.
Yes.
Alright, now using those skills, we're gonna work through this worksheet, alright?
Is this like solo work or can we work with a group?
You can work with your partner and with the points here if you want.
I'm not there yet.
That's right.
I like what you did here. I like how you labeled them and counted them out. So what is the 3/4 worth?
25.
25.
Like
Just
three
one.
of one.
Okay. So if we
75.
so if we add them together, it's 75. And then we're gonna go to our next biggest coin, which is what?
That one.
A nickel for 5 cents. So what is 75 plus 5?
80.
80. And then we're gonna add our 1 cent, right?
Yep.
So we have 81. And then the last thing is, I like that you put your cent sign here, but our cent sign is gonna go after our money, okay?
Forgot.
That's okay. Good job. And then keep working through those on the next one. Ask Juan for help too. Juan's pretty
I
good
don't
over
trust
here.
him.
Why don't you trust Juan?
Because I want to learn myself.
That's okay. How are we doing, Mr. Help?
Very good, Mr. Ernie.
Thank you.
I know. Look at that one.
Hey, let's keep our eyes on our sheet, please, guys. Thank you.
You just told him that I can
That's
help with
okay. No, that's
69.
okay.
No. Yes, sir.
We'll just work on our own today.
No, it's not.
Okay.
So, I like what you did. Do we know what 100 cents also equals? When we get up to, it equals $1. You know another way that we could write 100 cents?
You just saying that because the joke.
It's fine.
You just think it's funny.
You're a little advanced in this. I can tell you've been counting at home.
67. One might say.
How'd we do over here, Mr. Roder? We're gonna try and work on our own sheets here. What do you guys need help with?
The last one.
The last one.
I said 7. He said no.
So let's. Alright, so if we look at our coins, our 225s, right, what are those gonna equal? Alright, our next biggest, we're gonna add 10 onto it, so 60. And then we're gonna add another 5, 65, and then what do we have left over? It is 67, good job. No, we're not gonna be doing that today. Yes, Mr. Sher.
Can you put my answers?
Very good.
Is this one right
Are you starting to get the hang of it? Yeah, it is.
$100?
Do you know another way that we can write 100 cents?
No.
So if I have 100 cents, you know what 100 cents is equal to?
Mm-mm.
So $1 is equal to 100 cents.
I thought $1 was 60 cents.
No, so if I have 4 quarters, those equal to $1. So a quarter is
Oh, yeah.
25% of $1. So 100 cents is going to equal.
Oh, I was thinking about
$1.
time.
No, yeah, oh yeah,
Ah,
time, yeah. So
alright.
time is gonna go the other way. Is everybody done with their worksheet?
Yes.
Mhm.
Alright, how did we do with that?
Good.
Feel pretty confident?
Yes.
So we're gonna go through and we're gonna make sure that we have all the names down one more time. Nate Hill,
Yeah,
what's our first coin, the biggest one?
the quarter,
Quarter, how much is it worth?
25 cents.
25 cents. Avery, what's the second coin?
The dime,
It's a dime. How much is a dime worth?
10.
Jersey,
Nickel.
what coin is that? It's a nickel, exactly. What's a nickel worth?
5 cents.
5 cents. And Roder, our last coin,
A penny.
a penny. And what's a penny worth, Mr. Roder? 1 cent. Good job. All right. What do you guys think helped you the most with counting the coins today?
Start with the biggest.
Start with
size.
the biggest. The size. Okay. What else did you guys do? Was there any other strategies that you guys used? No? All right. Well, that is going to be a wrap for today. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day.